For the repair of detector heads MK6 from Gravener, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, the heads are connected to the unit, and then we simulate the oil mist using smoke detector spray. Applying it to the back of the heads. The same process is repeated and for the other detector heads. It is now clear that the detector heads are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the client. Reconditioned detector heads from Gravener Mark 6.